So paano nga ba makuha ang game points? Click muna natin yung VIP sa lower right corner. Makukuha mo yan habang naglalaro ka at na-accumulate yan sa points pool. Ito yung calculate method. Taya mo times 2.5. Example, 100 pesos na taya mo times 2.5 equals to 250 game points. So ano nga ba ang functional purposes ng game points? May exchange mo yan ang game points sa shop points. Click mo lang ang receipt button to claim. At pwede i-exchange yan into gold coins, which is pesos yan, or some gifts into points shop. So check natin yung mga following prices. So ito yung mga following prices niya. Kung may gold coins, which is pesos yan, cellphones, refrigerators, tabs, motorcycle, at television. So kung malaki talaga yung game points nyo, maaari nyo to makuha or i-claim yung mga following prices dito sa point shop. So kung makikita nyo, nasa VIP 2 na ako. Kasi naglaro lang ako, automatic na yung level up ang VIP. So under VIP 2, ito yung multiplication niya, 5,187 times 60% times 5.5 equals to 171. Pagka VIP 3 naman, ito yung multiplication niya, 5,187 times 60% times 6% equals to 186. Kaya kung mas mataas yung VIP nyo dito, mas mataas yung percentage makukuha nyo na game points dito or shop points. So ito pala yung game points ko, 761. Kasi dito, mas mataas yung VIP nyo, mas mataas yung percentage makukuha nyo na game points for shop points. So yung tanong ngayon, how to calculate shop points? Ang game points nakukuha sa bet mo today at maaari i-claim kinabukasan, pero 60% ang game points ang pwede i-claim sa points pool per day. Tapos pwede mo na i-exchange yung game points sa shop points. Kung mas mataas ang VIP nyo, mas mataas ang percentage makukuha sa pag-exchange ng game points sa shop points. For example, kung VIP 0 ka ngayon, tapos yung game points is 100,000, then yung shop points makukuha, i-multiply ito ng 100,000 times 60% times 0.035 equals to 2,100. At kung VIP 9 naman, yung kung 100,000 game points, then yung makukuha mong shop points is 100,000 times 60% times 0.125 equals to 7,500 mga kabet. So, habang patuloy yung paglalaro mo dito, mas tumataas yung VIP nyo dito. Automatic yan nale-level up. At mas malaki yung chance nyo makuha yung mga following prices dito sa points shop.